Two Cal Poly students appeared in court today following their arrest back in November. You remember there was a bit of a scare on the university campus after gunshots were heard in the Poly Canyon Village area. Police found the two students and determined that they had a gun in their possession. No one was hurt in the incident, but students we spoke to said it put them on edge. Now we want to turn things over to KSBY's Claudia Bucio, who was in court for the students' first appearance.
I'm KSBY News reporter Claudia Bucio covering your community in San Luis Obispo, where two Cal Poly students made their first court appearance Tuesday following their arrest last month. The 7 felony charges against Charles Hodgeboom and Brandon Pham were filed on December 8th and include discharging a firearm in a negligent manner, possessing a loaded firearm on a college or university, and bringing a knife to Cal Poly grounds. Here's what happened in court. With tears in his eyes, Brandon Pham saw fellow Cal Poly student Charles Hodgeboom taken into custody. This was one of the most emotional moments during Tuesday's hearing, a case Judge Timothy Covello described as extraordinarily difficult. The 19-year-olds appeared in court facing 7 felony charges related to the possession of weapons at Cal Poly. Matt Lazier, a spokesperson for Cal Poly, said in a statement that Cal Poly police officers responded to reports of gunshots and found Hodgeboom and Pham along Poly Canyon Road on November 11th. Lazier added, quote, "Officers found Hodgeboom and Pham in possession of a shotgun and a loaded concealed pistol. The two were arrested. Shortly after, officers searched their on-campus residences and found additional weapons." A clearing notification was sent to the campus community on November 16th, once the university learned that both students got bailed out of jail. Lazier said a notice didn't go out sooner to protect the integrity of the investigation. During Tuesday's hearing, new details emerged. Deputy District Attorney Ben Blumenthal said the defendant's conduct in the last 6 months had been, quote, incredibly dangerous, with offenses dating back to June 10th. Lazier said that Cal Poly learned this new information on Tuesday, adding, quote, "These include a charge of shooting at an inhabited dwelling and several charges of possessing a loaded firearm or shooting a firearm on campus. None of these previous incidents had been reported to the university at the time of the November 11th arrests." Judge Covello said during the hearing, quote, "The court is struck by the level of recklessness. I've never seen this, because it is repeated, because of its proximity to students, because of the actual discharge." Neither defendant entered pleas on Tuesday. Judge Covello ruled that Hodgeboom will remain in custody without bail. It appeared that Hodgeboom apologized to Pham as he was handcuffed. Pham remains out on bail. His defense attorney and Hodgeboom's father declined to comment. Their next court appearance is scheduled for next Wednesday, December 20th. Hodgeboom is facing a misdemeanor charge for vandalism, and Pham is facing a misdemeanor charge for possessing a stun gun or less lethal weapon on campus. A Cal Poly spokesperson said both students are barred from campus. In San Luis Obispo, Claudia Bucio, KSBY News.